Could you walk through a town, see your boy beaten down against a wall, and think nothing at all? Could you think nothing at all? That's lovely.
For the ones who can't see or not hear any sounds in this life,
Try to feel what that's like, 'cause no one gets to decide. When days don't seem right, just shine. This life is yours. Like today when you're walking away, hold your head up so high, 'cause I tell you from here, it does get better. You are sounding beautiful. For the lovers who have smiled as they walk down the aisle in this life, saying beautiful words, they were finally much time and again for this fight. They were finally right. Now we're all breathing life. Now that we've come so far, always stay who you are. For the ones who can't see from the challenges, don't hold your hope. Together we're stronger, never get thrown. When you're feeling so small, get your back off that wall. Will you open your eyes? 'Cause I tell you it does get where you are. If that sky up above sees the children you love, all the families you've grown from, but please don't go. It's better for where you are. For all those men in their skirts, all the girls who eat dirt. Come on, everybody! Now that we've come so far, always stay who you are. For those men in their skirts, for the boys loving boys, and the girls loving girls, I tell you, now that we've come so far, always stay who you are. For those men in their skirts, for the boys loving boys, and the girls loving girls, I tell you, now that we've come so far, always stay who you are. For those children, for the boys loving boys, and the girls loving girls, I tell you, it does get better. Yes, it does get better. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, Elvis. You are all amazing. Thank you very much. Thanks, Lloyd. So that's the music, that's the art, that's a little bit of Elvis finished. Thank you very much for the L Project for finishing the music stage.
thank you for the dog
haven't
donations.
finished- We haven't finished yet though. We've got a fantastic lineup now.